Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you these adorable little bookmarks that I made using the beads from BEEBEECRAFT. So I was gonna make another one and I figured let me do a little video so I can show you how easy they are. So hold on. Okay, so I remember making these, oh my god, probably 2 years ago, maybe even more. I had followed Bona's tutorial when we were all into like the planners. And I love this so much, I still make them. And look how cute. So they're just like little dangles for your books. Aren't they adorable? I love these so much. And they're perfect for you could have like placements in your book. And basically, this is what it is. So easy. Like this can't be any easier to make. So easy, but yet looks so freaking cute, especially if you have a few like on your book, because you see all these pretty dangles. Look at that. Adorable. So you got them on both ends. Okay. So then I put them in my book. And there you go. Super, super cute. Okay. So let's make one together. I'm using this cord that I got from Michael's, and I'm gonna use the white one. And I like to cut about, let's say 13 inches or so. Depends how long, depends how big your book is. Okay, so here we have my cord, and all you want to do is tie a knot at the end. And you want to leave a few because you want to like open these up so they look like a little tassel. So for now, we're just going to leave it like that. And then, where's my needle thing? Did I lose my needle thing? What the hell did it go? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I lost my needle. And it's not really a needle. I don't know what this thing is called. It's like a little wire. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't have a needle that has like the hole big enough for my beads. So this is what we're going to use. And basically you just start taking your colors. Actually, we're going to use these. And the one that I got from BEEBEECRAFT, oh my god, you get so much. So basically just pull through your string. If this one breaks, I'm screwed because I don't have another needle. Okay. And I'm struggling because the hole is a little small, but it works. Okay, there we go. Just put it through. And now, I like the way the two of them look. I don't know. These things are so shiny. My phone is not focusing. Okay, so we're gonna add another one. And just pull it through. And we got that right there. And now you start adding your beads. So we're gonna add a pink one. If you guys know of any of these, like a needle with like a big hole, but you can still fit the beads, let me know, because these little wire things are great, but they break fast and I lose them because I just lost one and they're so thin I don't even know where it went. Okay, so we got one. We're gonna add another one. Actually, you know what, let's do beads. So we're going to add 2 in the bottom, a bead, and then another one. Okay. This is like, oh my god, so easy, but so freaking cute. We're going to add another pink, and I love these beads, these pastel colors. Love them. See? Now we're gonna add, and this you can do as, I guess, as long as you want. I like adding 3 or 4 beads. Okay, and then we're gonna add one more. And then we're gonna make the knot so that the beads don't go sliding all over the place. Okay, once you have that, then you want to make a knot close enough to your last bead so you don't see that awkward looking knot. So right there, just start sliding this down and sliding it down, and there we go. So see, so we got the bottom part. Now, depending on your book, so you see how you're gonna have that dangled right here, you decide where you want your other knot, and it all depends on the book that you have. So I'm gonna make my knot here, right there, and then we'll start adding more of these sparkly beads right here. And that's why I don't really care for this needle looking thing, because sometimes it gets stuck. But we're gonna push this one through. There we go. Like that. I'm gonna do a few more, then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm adding the last one right there. This is like so hard for me to do on camera because I have to really be all up in it. And then at the end, once you decide that's your last bead, you want to do your little knot. Again, as close as to the last bead as you can. Like that. Okay, and then you want to trim it. And then this part, you're just gonna kind of like break the fibers so they look like a little tassel. And that's all I'm doing. And then in the bottom, same thing. Just breaking up the little strings. And that's it. I'm gonna give it a little haircut. And a little haircut depending how big you want it. And look how freaking cute and easy. And here we go, adding another one to my book. How freaking cute are these? So easy. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.